Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Battleteams 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language for the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Battleteams 2 game on your device, and after you are taken into the home page, if you wish to customize the language, then just follow these steps, even if you don't understand the language that your game is currently in. Look for the gear icon at the top right corner, which is the menu option. Once you click on it, you will see another gear icon. This is the settings page, so go ahead and click on it. Now, once you are within the settings page, no matter which tab you are on, at the left side, if you look down, you will see the language drop-down menu. So regardless of which tab you are in at the left side, this will always be here. You can choose from the list of available languages from the drop-down menu at any point of time. Once you have chosen it, click on the apply button to save your changes. And now you can go back and your language will be applied right away. If you have accidentally chosen a different language, then no matter where you are, just look for the gear icon, click on it once again, and then use the drop-down menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your in-game language on the Battleteams 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.